What's up with you guys? Things will be here. And guys, if you haven't hit the subscribe button there, please hit the subscribe button. I'm back again with another tutorial. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video. Please, guys. So, alright, let's get started with this one. We are going to be talking about how to use the chords in your worship play. When you play worship songs, the chords in using the worship song. So alright guys, let's get started on the piano. Our first lesson for our worship chords. Some chords I use in my worship playing. I'm going to be showing you it. So guys, let's get started with the first one. So I use a simple chorus, maybe in my one. Some people may like hallelujah. So I say So guys, can you see? So I use this, which is our E minor. Guys, can you see? So we have hallelujah. So alright, that's not what we are going to be talking about. So alright, let's get started with the notes today, guys. Let's get this one. So I use that chord, E minor. So mostly I use my C playing, I use this E minor. So it make my playing to be different. So guys, let's get started with what I'm going to be talking about. We are going to be using this simple worship chords in playing. You can use it in your worship songs when you play your worship songs. So let's get started. The first one we'll be using our bass line will be on our C, and our right hand will be carrying the note of the E minor. So we use this as, so let me just play the whole scale first. So the first chord I used there was this C using with our E minor. E minor first chord, first inversion. Sorry, first chord, first inversion, second inversion. So we are using the second inversion of our E minor. Then we went up to our B flat major. So we have our E minor here, and we use our B flat major over our B. So we use this. So the bass line for the whole song will just be. Let's get it, the first one. So we are going to be using our D diminished. Our D diminished 7. So we use this over our E and hold back and hold to our A and use E minor 2. So let's get this back. Let's go. again. Let me play it back again. So that's the next one we are going to be using right there. So let's get it. We use our E minor, we use our B flat major, and we use our D diminished 7, and end back with our E minor. So we are going to be getting the next chord there, guys. So we are going to be using our S sustain 3. Our S sustain 3. So we will be using it like this. This is the chord. But when you take this over, this F come at the last. So let's get it right here. So this is our F sustain 3. So we get this over this key on this side. You see it, guys? That's the chord we are going to be using here today. So let's get it from the starting of the pianos, the chords built. Let's use it. Let's use the whole chord and end on or F. Let's go, guys. So the bass line for that part will. So let's get the first one. So the bass line for that one will end on a G and use a F sustain 4. So let's get it, guys. Get it, guys? You saw it? You saw it? We come back here. Then we use. Sorry, guys. So when we use here, then we use this chord. So here will be our diminished sustain 2. Sorry. Our B flat diminished sustain 2. So 2 over F. So let's get it, guys. That's all the chords. So the next one we used there was, then we use this. We use this major or D major. So you can use this or use this. You can use this or use this. But this will sound right. This gonna sound good. So we come back. So that's the chord there. So let me play with you guys. Let's try this. Let's go, guys. If you already get the note, so let's play this together. And take it to F. D minor, your D major. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please guys, keep the comment section active. But you didn't understand about my video, please comment. Guys, I will be going by your comments. So what you want to learn, just keep the comment section active. I will be reading your comments. That's how I will be posting my video. watching this video, please hit the like button there and hit the notification button for any video are all below on this page. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Who's that person playing that song?